Hello everyone, welcome back to Let's Unbound. Yes, so we are back with another video in this interesting playlist about format math contest. And yes, this video is past paper walkthrough. It is from 2025 paper and we are going to discuss part 1 here. It's a super easy part, but still you need some familiarity here, like how the questions would be, how to save the time in your part 1. Yes, we need to apply some strategies even in part 1 also. Like don't follow the traditional way. We have to be quick as possible. And that's what we are going to explore today. And you're going to do it with me. Be ready with pen and paper. And here we go. The value of this expression. So whenever you see this, you will get PEMDAS in your mind, right? So first you multiply 10. 2 minus 0, it's 2. Then it's connected with addition, 12. That's it, right? So it's option D. I think it's just 20 seconds or 15 seconds we can do it, right? Super simple. And next. In a survey, each student choose their favorite day of the week. In the graph, the percentages of those who surveyed who selected each day of the week is shown. So, okay, their favorite day and the graph is shown there. If 3,000 students were surveyed in total, okay, so total 3,000, how many people choose Friday? Okay, I will go to Friday, but it's not how many, it says how many percent. So I should convert to the number actually, the actual number. Super simple. So 20%, it's multiplication factor 0.2. So percentages, make sure you're having, this knowledge because 20% means 20 by 100 into 3,000. Instead of doing this, just do a multiplication factor technique. 0.2 times total 3,000, right? You have one decimal place, that place and 1 0 you can cancel. So you got 2 times 300, which is 600. And hence it's P, right? So yes, let's move to the next question. How many integer values of x satisfies the inequality? And some numbers are listed. So usually if I ask you how many numbers are there from 10 to 20, it's 20 minus 10 plus 1. It's not 10. Don't blindly say this. Actually, if you list it and count it, there will be 11 items. I mean the numbers. So how to do that? If you want to like multiply the extremes and add one strategy, your number should be included. It's not, it's between, right? 2 to 14. So it's from 3 to 13 is what they're asking because they're integers. So now you can apply 13 minus 3 and don't forget to put the plus 1. What is 13 minus 3? It's 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. So yeah, it's 11. Okay. Now, next. Rachel, Christoph, and Alphonse are paid to organize some books. But in total, they paid 50. Alfonso is paid 14. Rachel is paid twice what Christoph is paid. How much is Christoph paid? Do you know that? No, X. Rachel is paid twice of Christoph, so double the time of X, 2X. And Alfonso paid 14, we know that. Total together, they paid 50, so equal 50. Super simple. 3X, and you subtract it, 36, right? And then you divide by 3, it's there 12. So it's option. 12 is the answer. And sometimes you should be careful. They might ask you how much Rachel paid, but actually our variable will give us Christoph answer, but Rachel's, yeah, we need to work on it. That also will be in your options. So these are the tricks and twists they might give you. Next question. In the diagram, points P, Q, R, and S are intersection of grid lines in a 5 cross 5 grid of a 1 cross 1 square. Each square is 1 cross 1, right? And the area of the rectangle PQR is. So it's a basic primary level question, I would say. 1 square is 1 cross 1, 1 square units. These two triangles will make a square, right? So 2 square units. These two will make 3 square units. These two will make 4 square units. So it's 4. Right? Don't think, okay, if it's an area of rectangle, length, breadth. No. It's a unit grid means you have to apply some strategies like this. Not like formula way. Right? Next. The current calendar year of 2025 is a perfect square. Yes, it's a perfect square. In n years from now, 2025, the calendar will be again a perfect square. The smallest possible value of n is. So first, 2025 is a perfect square. But what square? Then only I can find the next perfect square. If it's 25 square, then 26 squares here would be the next. So I should find the square root of 2025. And yes, we have a trick here. So 2025, if your number ends with 25, the square root will end with 5 because square root of 25 is this. And 20, you should break it down into product of two consecutive numbers. So 4 5s are. In that, you pick the lowest one, 4. So it's 45 square. So 45 square, it's a perfect square, right? The next leap year, the next year we are expecting is 46 square, right? 46 square means like after how many years this will happen? In n years from 2025. So I should find 46 square. You have to multiply this, no way to go. But surely it will be not this or this, right? So you can filter, it's not just 9 years. So let's calculate 46 square is going to be, or you can do this, the difference between these two, 45 square minus 46 square, right? So 46 square minus 45 square. We can apply algebraic identity instead doing the normal math, right? So 46 square minus 45 square. First I will subtract 46 minus 45 and then 46 plus 45. This is going to be 1 into 46 into 45, it's 91. So 91 is the difference. We need difference. So don't do 46 into 46, find that and subtract. No. You can apply. So I applied an algebraic strategy here, which is super simply proved. And yeah, this strategy kind of thing, square rooting in a simpler way, these you can do, right? So n is after 91 years, it's going to be a perfect square year, right? Let's move to next question. In the diagram, the target shown has 3 scoring areas. The middle one is 10, the next is 5, and the last is 1. An arrow that hits the center circle is worth 10 points, and yeah, they have given. 3 arrows are short and each hits the target. So every arrow is there in a target, nothing misses. Maybe all 3 in one, 2 of them in one, other is in the other one. So like that, okay? Which of the following cannot be the total score? 16, can you express 16 with this? Yeah, 10 plus 5 plus 1 is 16. So that's okay. 11, is it possible? Yes. Is it possible for getting 11? Yes. 5 plus 5 plus 1. 2 arrows in this second region and 1. That's possible. 13, no way possible. If you take 10 and 1, then you need a 2. That's not there. If you take 10 and 5, then you don't want, actually it's extra. 13 is kind of not possible. If you just 5 and 1, you need next 7, which is not there. So 13 is the which one, which is not possible. 7, of course, it's possible. 5 plus 1 plus 1, 7, that's okay. 20, is it possible? Yes, 10 and other 2 arrows in 5, 5. That's possible. So it's super clear that it's 13. So 13 is the final answer. And now, the average of 15 integers is 18. The average of 5 of these integers is 12. What is the average of other 10 integers? So this seems like a lot of things to work on, but let's do. So average of 15 integers is 18, means sum of 15 integers divided by 15 equal to 80. This one information. So make it simple with notations. And average of 5 integers, sum of the 5 divided by 5 is 12. What is the average of other 10? Average of other 10 means sum of the 10 divided by 10 equal to what? I don't know. So let me keep it as 6. So I just converted my thing into math language. Yes, this is equally important. This will help you to go in a correct path, like 90%, right? So now I need this. So I can break down this S15 into sum of 5 and sum of 10 because that's what I have. Divided by 15 equal to 80. How can I find S5 from this? S5 is 12 times 5, 60. So in place of S5, I can put 60. How will you find S10? It's just 10x. by 15 equal to 18. So now you multiply and simplify 60, or you can do so like if you like you can simplify here itself because it's possible. Pi table, that's easy to simplify, right? So 15 and like you can take 5 common out here, and it's 12 plus 2x divided by 15. You can write 5 into 3, 5 cancelled. I'm sorry. 5 will get cancelled, and that's equal to, okay, this will be cancelled, and equal to 18. Let's continue. 12 plus 2x equal to 18 times 3. So you take 2 common, 6 plus x equal to uh, 2 into 9 into 3. So 2 cancel, 6 plus x is 27, and x is 27 minus 6, which is 21. So why I'm doing this way, like don't multiply 15, 18 and waste time, right? Try to take common and cancel out simpler numbers, right? It looks like more steps we did, but this will give you accuracy and also you won't stuck with multiplication divisions, right? So x is 21. I mean, the average of other integers, this is the average of other integers equal to x, and x is 21. Okay, that's it. And now, if x square minus y square is 72 and x minus y is 12, the value of x plus y. Whenever you see this, it might strike your mind like it's x minus y into x plus y, the algebraic identity. At many places we apply this crucial one. X square minus y square is 72, x minus y is 12, x plus y is x plus y. So you divide by 12, 12 cancelled, 1 times and 6 is equal to x plus y. Okay, so it's 6. Super simple. And we are moving into next question. There are 186 students on a class trip. Each student is placed into exactly 1 of 50 groups. Each group has exactly 3 students or exactly 4 students. There are m groups which have 3 students and n groups that have 4 students. The value of m minus n is what? Okay, actually 186 students are there and 50 groups. 50 groups means if I divide by 50, what I will get? 3 of them will go into each group, 150. And remaining 36 will be there. 36 students will be there remaining. Where should I place them? In that 50 groups, 36 you can't give 5 students or 6 students. So you can give again 50, group of 50. I will split into 36 because another 36, they already have 3 and 14 I'm splitting because in this way I'm splitting because 36 students are there. Now another 36 students will go to this group one by one. So now this group every group of this 36 will be added with 1 and it's a 4 student group. This will stay as a 3 student. So 3 student group is called M and 4 student group is called N. So what is M minus N? 14 minus 36 and it is minus 22. You have to subtract and put the greater sign. So it's A. Right? So this is easy, but super concentration is needed here. And that's it. We completed 10 questions discussed. That is part A, section A, that's had been covered here. Right? And with this, we come to the end of this video. I hope this video might be helpful. If you have any feedback, suggestions, you can send it in the comment section. Also, you can share, like, and subscribe to Let's Unbound if these videos are really helpful. So yes, I will be meeting you in another episode very soon, which is about part 2, a little more difficult level. So be ready for the next video and stay curious. Keep learning.